Let me show you a simple way to remember quotient rule in differentiation. Remember, we apply quotient rule when we have a fraction, a function divided by a function to the top and to the bottom. So assuming you have a function y equal to the top divided by the bottom function, then dy over dx is equal to, you say bottom, that is the function at the bottom, multiplied by the derivative of the function at the top. T prime, meaning you should differentiate the top. Then minus the top function times the derivative of the bottom function. You differentiate the bottom, you multiply by the top. You divide by b squared, which is the bottom squared. Whatever function you have at the bottom, square it, and you're done. So this is an example. Suppose you have y equal to, let me see, x divided by x minus, let me use x squared minus 1. For example, you want to differentiate this. This is going to be dy over dx equals bottom. This is the bottom, x squared minus 1. This is entire bottom. Multiply by the derivative of the top. The top is x. Its derivative is 1. You minus. Now you go to the top, which is x. You multiply by the derivative of the bottom. You differentiate x squared, you get 2x. Differentiate negative 1, you get 0. So this is all we have. Divide by the bottom squared, which is x squared minus 1 whole squared, and you're done. If you like, you simplify. Let's simplify and see what we're going to get here. This times 1 will not change. So you have x squared minus 1 minus, this time this will give us 2x squared, right? Divide by the bottom squared, which is x squared minus 1 also squared. This is going to be x squared minus 2x squared is negative x squared. So everything to the top will be just minus 1 minus x squared. Divide by the bottom, which is x squared minus 1 all squared. You see, this is the derivative of this function. Just recall that bottom times the derivative of the top minus top times the derivative of the bottom, divide by the bottom squared, and you're good to go.